Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So this is going to be an unboxing of a jewelry kit from the Softflex Company. They sent me this kit. They send them to me periodically, and I show you what's in them, and I will post down below where you can find it on their website. Okay. The name of this kit is called All That Glitters. And here's a listing of everything that you get in the kit. Okay. It retails for $34.99. Right, 34.99, I believe. And it comes with everything you need to make, some a few pieces of jewelry, maybe 3 to 4, depending on what you make and how you make it and how you use it. Everything comes with it except the tools. So all you need is your tools, okay, to make some pieces from this kit. Okay. So again, you can pause and look at this, and I will just open this and show you what's inside. All right. Softflex has beautiful kits listed on their site. They sell other things other than kits. They sell all kinds of jewelry findings, beads, and all kinds of course, they sell wires because that's what they're known for. You can definitely check the website and see, what else that they offer. Okay, so this is beautiful. Oh, wow, look at that, pretty. Oh, anything that glitters is going to be right up my alley. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, let's see what comes in here. All right, again, this retails for $34.99. All right. And I will put all the links down in the description. Okay, so it comes with the Jesse James bead mix, All That Glitters. This is pretty, very pretty mix. Looks like you get some spacers in here and some all kinds of beautiful little, pieces in here to make all kinds of cute things. Some focals and some all kinds of stuff. Wow, bead caps. Wow, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I like that. Okay, and here's some other little beads here. Very cute. Check glass metallic. Let's see. This must be the check glass metallic gold fire polish mix, probably. That's what that is, I'm assuming. Let's see though. Okay, so it comes with some Softflex medium wire in white quartz. Okay, it's just very beautiful with the gold and the metallic mix here. Very, very pretty. Very pretty and dainty, I think. All right, and look, you get some findings in here. You get some crimp tubes, which I love. I like crimp tubes. I really do. I like that they put the crimp tubes inside of here. Okay, those are the gold crimp tubes. All right, and here is your head pins. Is your head pins and some other little findings in here to create a few little pieces of jewelry. I think you can probably make a necklace and 2 bracelets, or you can make 3 bracelets, or whatever you want to make. You have enough stuff in here to make a few pieces. So that's the great thing. And then also there's a clasp in here. So if you want to make a necklace, a clasp comes in there. Okay. Yeah. See, this is all the stuff that comes in there. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. And you get these other little pieces in here. Oh, like little crystals. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Very nice. We like that. Okay. Very nice. We love. All right. And a little glitter mix here. You get a bottle with glitter and stars in it. This is so super pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, so cute. I love that. Okay, that's super cute. And then it comes with these really pretty beads. Okay. Very pretty and dainty, right? Okay, so again, it tells you everything that you're getting right here. You can pause the video and take a look. Okay, so I showed you everything that comes in the kit. You get enough stuff to make a few pieces of jewelry. All you need is your tools. Okay, so I will put all the links you need down in the description. Make sure you follow their Facebook page because they do a lot of videos on their Facebook page. They give you a lot of ideas of different things to make with the kits. Okay. And also their YouTube. They go live on their YouTube channel a lot, and they always show all kinds of ideas and tips and tricks on their YouTube channel as well. All right. So I thank Softflex for sending me this really cute kit as always. And if you have any questions or comments, you can all leave it below and I'll answer and I'll get back to you. All right. Don't forget to check the links that will be down in the description. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.